Hi, hello. Now we're going to talk about different dishes. Indian-based lasagne. Yes, lasagne is an Italian dish. To your surprise, most of the ingredients are unavailable in India. They're true in the southernmost tip of our country. So let's try the dish with the available ingredients in India. So, a small story how I came to know about this dish. Hope you all know that pasta and the noodles are familiar in India, but lasagna is not familiar up to the mark because of the unavailability of the ingredients. Hope you all know India was born in Germany, and we came to know about this dish for the first time during our potluck dinner during our first week stay in Germany. I mean during the first Sunday. Because of hypersensitivity, I was unable to eat anything, and I used to avoid eating outside. And to my shock, I was able to eat this dish completely, which they served for me. So gradually, I tried this dish, but I was unable to complete with perfectness. And you all know I won't follow up the quantity of materials needed for the cooking. So let's move on to today's video. Here we need a white sauce. I remember they used to make it with maida, but here I have changed it with the atta. So first I have to melt butter and then add the ingredients gradually, like atta and salt, and saute them for a little to leave out the smell of atta, and then add milk to make it into a sauce, and then keep it aside. And then for lasagne sheets, in Germany it was available in supermarkets, like lasagne sheets in different varieties and different taste. But in India it's not available, but it's available online. I am not that online freak, so I try to avoid shopping online, and I'm unable to find these sheets. So I tried it making in home. And for the lasagne sheets we need the maida, and then the same process of making paratha or chapati. So make it into thin sheets and dry them in air. That means you should dry the sheets before making the dish. Then we need cheese and then the layering. So for layering, hope you all have seen my pepper chicken video. I am using the same dish. This is for the first time I'm trying. So the same dish for layering. For layering, I try to avoid oven because in most of our home in India, oven is an unavailable option, so I tried to use the available material in India. So for baking we need a cooker pan, and then salt or sand. I prefer salt, and then the pot. I think this is in Tamil they will call mangu, but I don't know the exact term. It looks like ceramic, but it's iron covered with some material, white material. And let's start the layering. We need to keep the sheet, and then I prefer to keep the sheet with the butter so that it will be fine, but I forgot to do that. And then the layer of pepper chicken, and then the layer of sheet, and then the cheese, and then it's your own idea. Just layer the sheets, and then the ingredients, and then the layer of the sheets, and then keep the pan inside the cooker, and then bake it for a high flame for about I think it took around 30 minutes, if I'm not sure, until it's completely baked. So, and to your note, try to avoid casket. If the casket is there, there might be chances of bursting, and try to avoid the whistle also. And they used to consume this dish as a single serve, but I combined it with chapati, and it went on very well, and Inia liked the combo, so it can be used as a side dish of our Indian main course. So hopefully you all will try this dish and enjoy your dinner, potluck dinner, or lunch, or anything. So see you all with another trial and error video, or another video of my experiment, cooking experiment. Until then, bye bye from Rini.